Hello, Dr. Rodenberg and Ginsberg. Welcome to my screencast. I really lost sight of this assignment. I'm so sorry. So forgive me. This is going to be a bit improvised, but I am prepared, as described in the assignment description, to discuss how this class, work-based learning, has influenced my overall teaching. I guess first I should discuss that it was interesting. My interpretation previous to this class of work-based learning was primarily influenced by my experience in trade school. And work-based learning was, according to me previously, primarily done in situations where students are serving some kind of position, temporary or permanent, paid or unpaid, in the professional workspace. So, like I said, internships, externships, those kinds of experiences. Leaving to Learn, the text really broadened my idea and my understanding of what work-based learning could be. I teach at a project-based learning school, and everything that we do here revolves around projects where students are using not just their minds but also their hands to create something meaningful. And so that doesn't necessarily need to be out of the classroom. A lot of the projects we do are dynamic and interesting, but done in the classroom. So this class really encouraged me to kind of incorporate WBL within our PBL sort of model, and get the students outside of the classroom for experiences that I can't provide them in the classroom. We did a project we called it Humans of San Diego, and it was our kind of Humans of New York remake. And it got the students out. We went on several field trips, and the students were out in the communities talking to people that live here, and gaining perspective and a better understanding of the concept of empathy, and really learning the importance of hearing the stories of others. And it didn't occur to me that this was work-based learning, that this is leaving the classroom and applying what we're learning in the classroom to a really meaningful experience. So obviously in the class we also gained a better idea, a more clear and thorough understanding of the logistics of work-based learning, and the necessary, I guess you can call them hoops that teachers have to jump through, and the partnerships between local communities, and then the really close collaboration that is necessary to make work-based learning happen between not just the students, but also teachers and parents, teachers and administration, and again, teachers and the potential community business owners or organizations. So overall, it was a really influential class, and I feel like I've really grown, and that my teaching has grown, and that my students benefited from my more clear understanding on work-based learning as I applied what I was learning in my classroom.